That other nigga, he a bozo. It's a mayor, you don't know. We got liquor by the boatload. Disrespect the life, that's a no-no. All my niggas dressed in that rojo. I ride for my guys, that's the bro code. Baby gave me head, that's a low blow. Damn, she make me weak when she deep throw. I need a rich bitch, not a cheap hoe. Baby on that hate shit, I peep though. My brother told me fuck him, get that money, sis. You just keep on running on your hungry shit. Ignore the hate, ignore the fake, ignore the funny shit. Cause if a nigga violate, we got 100 clips. And we go 0 to 100 quid. We just them niggas you ain't fucking with. Pockets on the chubby chick. And still go back a thotty and some bummy shit. You heard Eli, why they testing me? Like I don't always keep the hammer next to me. Like I ain't gotta hit